Yeah, wagwan everybody. There again for another vlog. I'm quite easy. Being in the garden, all the meditation, going to breathe the environment and the sky and thing. Yeah, I just want to make everybody know, give thanks for the support. Give thanks to all who continuously watching the video, who will like, share, and all who subscribe. If you don't subscribe, give thanks for watching the video. And hope as soon as you see it right, you subscribe. Yeah, so what the plan today? I have a few things I want to do, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna go about it. Look like rain will fall, I kind of feel like I want to touch the road and go do something. I don't know, maybe chill at a river or something, but if I get to do that, I have something else I may go do. And hopefully I can show on some of the process of what I do and so forth and think. But let's see. That's where I got me. Yeah, but for that, I'm just showing the view where I see right now. The sky me at work, and the more probably I wonder why I gaze at the sky I watch. And that's what I go on. You see like I gotta get some rain today to how the sky look. Most of the time rain come from the side there when it come. So let's see. Yeah, I don't know if you remember how them plants did look, but before the rain, them all of them here did basically dry up. But since the rain, you can see the major difference. A big mosquito bite me. I want to go on. The mosquito move so, like them are for a blood bank or something. Yeah, but if you remember them stay, I'm sure now them stay. See them there? Basically catch back. The grass get a little bit greener. Place one rake up here now, but can't manage that today. Watch out. The mosquito are going too bad. Yeah, so them I get back live, so give thanks to that. Don't know. Yeah, just say it's life goes on, Life always have a way to come back, no matter what happens. Yeah, the ackee tree basically empty now. In the previous videos, could have seen the ackee tree full of ackee, but now it barely just a come back. So I could feel a bunch right there. So East Indian tree completely empty. At one point, mango there here a stone dog. You see it? Yeah. Sometimes I think about even find a way to preserve them to as well. You can have them longer outside of the season. But I think I enjoy that much. Because I like my mango them fresh. I not even like when it drop off of the ground. Drop on the ground I mean for say. And then I take it up. I not even like that. Like when it's just fresh. Why? Rain look away. I don't know if I go here to touch the road to the car. Probably wouldn't make no sense. I think so right now. So I guess some yard move for go on right now, cause I don't see how I go do that right now. I'm really not want to go away and rain catch me right now. Which is not a big problem because I love the water, I love the rain. But I think I want to do that today. You understand? So I watch and see what I want. As I said earlier, I have some things to deal with. So I go see if I can show them the process. Right? Most people don't know the side of me. So I probably get to see what I want today. So let's see.
Yeah, that is it right there. Man, that's a different side now. I see right now. I see what I'm going. It's a loud. Get me? Yeah. YBL music. Alright, so this is our next beat we'll make. Another song with Jaro on this as well. First we made here is already me and Jay Mosh. I'm not going to hear the sound as well. Smoke weed out to my eyes ever low. Never see me thoughts in my mind never show. Knock on the door, sounds everything goes. She take up a ride from a choo-choo train. Turn back home and choo-choo came. Ride so hard that I can't even faint. Laugh a couple days and bang, 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 Feel for the game and flow. Smoke weed out to my eyes ever low. Never see my thoughts in my young black legend, where you come and get it with it. Pretty mama tita, where you come and give me a minute. Party start, get it pop off. So we can't set the door for a minute. Money make me 2 minute pound, them itching. Leave from here with your feet well wishing. How you act up when the dogs empty. Me say you wanna start something, you a talk on really. Young king, with my crown full of diamonds, stones. Yeah, put your speech out, rose to the stone. Girls and my tears are sweet on the comb. Vibrate for me like she is a phone. All over me, but me see, this is the setup. Hold on, I'm not mute this. Yeah, so as you see, this is the setup and thing. When I have my laptop right there, so I have my speaker, mic. I'm change out there. I use this right now. And I feel like I get a better sound from the speaker. And the speaker I have a little bit smaller and things. So I use this. I have a keyboard right here and thing. Yeah. So as you can see, I actually make my own beats. I make my own beats. My record, my mix, my master. I'm not perfect on the mixing nor the master because I don't know, that takes some while. But I've been to do it for a little while still. So over the years, I'm going to say over the years because it's not even a long while still, because there is a thing where I don't know, I just naturally have understanding feed, so it just comes to me easily, you know. So yeah, so we record and in here so the recording going in the booth where you can see the mic and the pop filter and things. So show you what going in there, so yeah. Oh yeah, this is the name of my label, YBL Music. And me actually draw this myself too. Things, so I'm looking guitar, next one right there, so yeah. So I'm build my beats then. After I build my beats, I make my song. I'm not really write, I just make my song. Because even the recent song I'm do without emotion, it don't take me long to make it. Actually, when me da build the rhythm, actually I come up with the song at the same time. So just a blessing, just a joy, you know. So as me da say, build the beat, then make the song, then up in the booth and record myself, come out back, mix the one for do, adjust the whatever, and that is it. Record couple artists well, including my brethren, you understand, so including myself, obviously. Yeah, but check out the booth and thing as you look on the picture here, come out of the light. You can see the grades them and some of the grades them. You know, keep this on it. Now if you name out the name them because I don't see the name, I don't see a who, so you can put the name them to them. Yeah, man, so some of the grades them all over, as you can see. It's a nice picture this. Alright now, so we are going at the booth and go see what I go on. See there? YBL Music. Come on, YBL Music. That is it. Me take that picture there. And before I go in there too, I'll talk about that. Me take that picture and edit it, you know, the same mic. The same mic and pop filter, yeah, see there? Yeah, but before I do that, that table here, you see that table here, I wonder, me actually build it. Yeah. So what I do, I design it and then we get somebody to cut out the board and then put it together. I get some help with it, yeah, but just minor, like to help assist with holding or whatever. So, and the booth itself, me design it and build it, we get assistance with it, but I mean design it and build it. And even the foam, we call him again, can't remember the name of him again, but I mean layer them out and everything. So I'm going to show you the boot, you know. Here we go. Yes, so this is it. This is it. Can't really see what I go on. I'm going to get some light. This is it a little bit. Yeah. So you can see I have a carpet. Don't know if you have the carpet here. Yeah. Mic stand and thing. I have a pop filter. Yes, the car them. Let the car run the car through, yeah, so thing. Yeah, and then you can see from here, so I go on.
and your voice in the record. Oh, I take out the headphone. And the headphone supposed to be in here, so the headphone missing out here. Might go fit, make you see it. And thing. So, it just there you go on. Fit for the game, me a pro, smoke weed, so my eyes ever low, never show my thoughts, so my mind never show. Knock on the door, so I saw the thing go. She take choo-choo train, turn back road and choo-choo cane. Bite so hard like cane and Fane. Laugh a couple days and we bang, 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 yeah, new shirt, new jeans, new sneaks, new watch, new chain, new ring, we a shine, we a star, we a bling, don't get envy, don't get bad mind and want come the thing. This is just for the meddling. Give a girl a mic and she start sing. Don't mess around with a black king. Only involved in a top boss thing. Him a mess around then they gonna cost him. When me check it out all dark cross him, walk past him, pop tarts him. Behave yourself. Yeah, so that is it man right there, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so see the headphone here. This is it. Put it on the hook right here, so right there. And then plug it in. And now it started to rain. Yes, it's raining now, as you can see. Raining, just as I thought.